gym. It was really good. Now I'm on my way home. I'm going to get my kids fixed, get my kids some breakfast fixed, and then get ready to go to work. I'm a trainer, so I have to go in an hour early to get everything prepped and ready to go for my class. Don't mind the car, it's super dirty because right now on our property it's nothing but dirt. It's a mess. But yeah, I gotta go and get ready for work, start training my class, and my husband is going to sign our papers today for our construction loan. Whoop whoop! All right, well, you all have a wonderful Monday.